You need to watch this if you struggle with dull, lifeless hair. Do you want to know the secret to healthy, shiny hair? Let's find out. Hello, friends. Today we'll talk about how to take care of your hair. We'll cover everything from washing to styling. So watch the video till the end without missing out anything. So, let's get started. Check the video description for the best hair care products available online on Amazon India. Choose a shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair type. Always use conditioner after shampooing to keep your hair hydrated. There are many benefits to oiling your hair. Hair oiling is a popular practice that can nourish and strengthen your hair. Apply a small amount of oil to your scalp and massage it in gently. Regularly massaging your scalp can improve blood flow, which can help your hair grow and make your scalp less dry. You can enhance these benefits by massaging your scalp while oiling. You can also apply the oil to the length of your hair. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes or overnight if possible, and then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. There are many different hair oils to choose from, each with its own benefits. Popular options include coconut oil, olive oil, argan oil, and almond oil. Using heat styling tools too often can damage your hair. If you must use heat styling tools, always use a heat protectant spray before styling. A balanced diet is very important for healthy hair. Make sure you're getting enough protein, vitamins, and minerals. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water. Hydration helps keep your hair and scalp healthy. Stress can negatively affect your hair. Practice stress relief techniques like meditation or yoga. Let's recap the main points. Wash your hair regularly with the right products. Include hair oiling and scalp massage in your routine. Avoid excessive heat styling. Use gentle hair ties. Have a balanced diet and consider hair masks and treatments. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty and lifestyle content. As said earlier, make sure to check the video description for the links to browse through the best hair care products available on Amazon India. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed and have a great day.